How to see recently unblocked friends on Facebook. First of all, you will have to open the Facebook with your logged in account. And from here, you will have to go with the three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the three line. And from here, you will got such an interface and you will got many options here like memories, save, groups, video, marketplace, feeds, events, and friends. So from them, you will have to go with the options friend. Okay, so now from here, you will be able to view all of the friend requests or friends from your Facebook profile. So simply you have to click on this your friend. And from here, you will got all of your friend list. And to see recently unblocked friends on Facebook, you will have to go with the options sort. And from here, you will have to go with the options newest friend. Okay, so from here you can see the recently unblocked friends on Facebook. So likewise, you can also see the recently unblocked friends on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.